कपडे आणि घरगुती फर्निचरा खातीर फामाद बेळगांवच्या BSC मॉलान यशस्वी 3 वर्सां पुराय करून आता 4थ्या वर्सांत पावल मारला। ह्या फाटभुंयेर BSCच्या व्यवस्थापक संचालकान आपल्या सगळ्या गिरायकांचे उपकार मानले। नवीन प्रॉडक्टांचेर BSCची डबल डिस्काउंट ऑफरूय लागू। BSC कडेन आता विक्रेक चांदीच्योय वस्तू उपलब्ध आसतल्यो म्हूण व्यवस्थापक संचालक सांगता।
BSC has successfully completed 3 years in Belgaum and it's stepping to 4th year now. We are very thankful to all our customers and media persons for supporting. BSC is starting double discount from 6th July Sunday. What is double discount? BSC is already giving one discount, that is 10% discount throughout the year. The 10% discount is on all company MRPs and the market price. So we are giving already 10% lesser price, 10% discount on throughout the year. In this period, for 4 weeks, we are giving additional 10% on the 10%. Double discount is on the discount is on new arrivals and fresh stock. So normally in the market, what happens when everyone starts discount sale, so that will be a clearance sales, clearance of old stock. But the speciality of BSC's double discount is this discount is on fresh stock, new arrivals. Normally this will be for the 4 weeks period. As per customer demand, we have started pure silver jewelry. Means this pure silver 92.5 touch silver. We have jewelry in that silver material like necklace, bangles, all other materials, all other jewelries. So we have started one more section. So I request all Goans to support for this new section also.